So this is all about offering unique 3D technology and amazing products at your events. It's simple, it's quick, it's the latest in 3D innovation, and this is how it works. We have guests that are lined up as they enter. It's a simple matter of taking their pictures. Beautiful, that's one. The next, you can see it's all done in just a matter of a second. 3, 2, 1, great. These images are now sent to our auto convert, where the images are converted to 3D very, very quickly. And now is the cool part, because what you're gonna see is something that we're able to do on the spot using the smallest 3D crystal machine in the world. It's called the Jetmini. It's the size of a PC computer. We're able to bring it on the spot and actually make it for them. So take a look here. We just took that photo. You can see it's already 3D. Okay. And I can approve it. And I can now put it into the laser. We have a blank crystal keychain. Put it in position, close the door, and tap on go. And this is where the magic happens, because the table will move to position. The laser is going to etch thousands of points inside the crystal. Now, what used to take over an hour to burn is going to actually complete in under a minute. So you can see that was completed in 1 minute and 28 seconds. So instead of regular photographs like this, how about something unique where guests can actually walk away with their own image, laser etched in 3D in a crystal keychain that lights up as well. Beautiful gift boxes that it comes with. It's done on the spot in minutes. If we have to do many of them, no problem. We can snap all of the photos as they enter, and by the time the event is done, they can collect them at the table. We'll do everything on site, and we can do many different shapes and styles as well. So if you're interested in learning more, please reach out to us. Give us a call. We'd love to be at your event and be a part of your celebration and be a part of your business model.
So as you can see the craziness regarding our product and laser, we are getting so much good reviews. Let's check this out from the customers who recently bought 3D Crystal.
Thank you so much. I'm in love with it. It's what an amazing experience. You guys are like, thank you. It was the best.
How much
part.
time it took to make?
Nothing, like nothing. And out of this whole thing, yes. Great idea, very unique, and you guys are awesome, and thank you very much. It was the best part, the best part of this trip.
If you want to buy it, where should they go?
3dcrystal.com.
There you go, 3dcrystal.com.